To ensure a secure and seamless experience with Trust Wallet, follow these best practices for installation. First, download the Trust Wallet app from the official website or a trusted app store such as Google Play or Apple App Store. Avoid downloading from third-party sources to minimize the risk of malware or fake apps. Once the app is downloaded, install it on your device and launch the application. You will be prompted to create a new wallet or recover an existing one. If you are new to Trust Wallet, select the Create a New Wallet option and follow the prompts to set up your wallet. It is essential to back up your wallet during the setup process. This will ensure that you can recover your funds in case your device is lost, stolen, or damaged. Trust Wallet provides a recovery phrase that you must write down and store in a secure location. When setting up your wallet, choose a strong password and enable biometric authentication such as fingerprint or face recognition to add an extra layer of security. Regularly update your password and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. To protect your funds, be cautious of phishing scams and never share your recovery phrase or private keys with anyone. Only use trusted sources for cryptocurrency transactions and verify the recipient's address before sending funds. By following these best practices, you can ensure a secure and successful Trust Wallet installation. Remember to always prioritize security and take necessary precautions to protect your cryptocurrency assets. Regularly review and update your wallet settings to ensure you are using the latest security features and best practices.